I took my wife down to Roatan, Honduras 3 weeks ago after a 18-month struggle against cancer. They removed 14 inches of her colon, 60% of her liver, and after 3 rounds of chemotherapy, we just saw no benefit. She looked like a 90-year-old lady, doubled, stooped, hands and feet peeling and in pain, constantly falling asleep and not having a comfortable night's sleep at all. Took her down to Roatan from Orlando, Florida. She has stopped chemotherapy and now is taking the patented treatment that they are researching there as drops under the tongue every 5 hours. The change in 3 weeks has been remarkable. Her energy is back. She's active again at her bridge club teaching. Her hands and feet have healed. She's back to the woman I knew over 2 years ago, and that is a sheer delight. Of course, we won't know the result until she has, in 90 days' time, the next PET scan, and that will determine how effective the cancer treatment has been. I myself, while I was down there, continued to have chronic back pain in the area of the left lower lumbar. I've had it for some 13 years after an automotive accident. It's been progressively worse. I was given a right hip replacement, and at the time they looked at the x-rays, and a prominent clinic here in Orlando said that I'd probably need spinal surgery in the next 18 months to 2 years. Because I was in pain, the team down there noticed it, assessed me, and determined that I was suitable for a stem cell procedure. And so I submitted to that. It was a 3-hour procedure. They took fatty tissue from the stomach area and then separated out the stem cells from the fatty tissue. They took sufficient to be able to inject the stem cells in 6 areas around the spine and the pain area. Absolutely remarkable. I had immediate relief and have been totally pain-free since then. I've gotten back my natural gait and I'm walking properly, and I'm really, really happy that I took that treatment. I would just ask that if you are concerned about your treatment at the moment, if you're concerned about your quality of life, if you are looking for an alternative treatment, or if you're a physician who really cares about your patient's quality of life, I would urge you to explore the alternative opportunities available and being researched down at the GARM Clinic in Roatan, Honduras. I have been there. We have stayed at the 5-star Parrottree Resort Hotel, and it is just an amazing operation with top-of-the-line physicians from around the world. I assure you, this is not a fly-by-night operation, and it is worthy of you getting in touch with them and finding out if they can be of any help to you in their research programs.